stumbled upon a plant that is known as yellow dock. Its Latin name is Rumex crispus, and this plant medicinally is used for its root. Rumex crispus, its botanical indications are that of poor detoxification state. So what the root does is it really supports the liver in getting rid of toxins from the body. I have a quote here from Harvey Wigsfeller, MD, from the year 1922, who says, "Alteratives," which is what this herb is known as, "Alteratives improve the quality of the blood, increase the appetite, promote digestion, and accelerate the process of elimination." Some of the actions of this herb, like I said, it's an alterative, so it cleans the blood, kind of cleans the body by supporting the liver. It's also a digestive bitter, so it helps sort of stimulate digestion. It's nutritive, it's very high in iron. It's a mild laxative, it's a gastrointestinal tonic, and specific indications for this herb, meaning what conditions it can be most useful for, include various skin conditions like psoriasis, eczema, acne, as well as like constipation or sort of slowed, lazy digestion. Alright, so the way you would harvest this plant is just by digging up the plant, and the part that we're interested in is the root. So you take that, rinse it off, let it dry out, chop it up, either throw it into alcohol for a tincture extract or into tea. In tea form, you will want to let it sort of actually boil for a little while because roots tend to be a little bit more difficult to get all of the goodies out of. That's something known as decoction. So yeah, this is Rumex crispus, and she's a pleaser for sure.